Hi guys, so how to get a dark mode exactly like this, complete dark mode. Wherever you go, you get a dark mode darker than the by default dark mode on iPhone. So how to get this 100% dark mode? It's very easy. What you have to do, you have to just go to settings, and then after enabling the dark mode, you have to go to accessibility, and then you have to go to display and text size, and now just go to this option and just turn on reduce white point and make sure it is somewhere more than 90%, and this gets like this. If you want to know how does it feel when it is turned off, just turn it off and you see these lighter gray backgrounds are there, so it is not a completely dark mode. So reducing the white point is very necessary after enabling the dark mode to get a complete dark mode on iPhone.